Hello and welcome back. This is what we made in the previous video, and this is what we're going to make next. So I want to compare the two of them. Can you remember that with what we've just made, there were 3 pyramids that met at every corner? Now in the new one that we're going to make, there are 4 pyramids that meet at every corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pyramids meet at a corner here at the top in the middle, and if we turn this around, you'll see that there are always 4 pyramids that meet at every corner. And the other thing to note is that the rule that we observed before, where, for example, if you had a yellow unit, then the reddish piece goes in one side, so the reddish piece has to go out of the other side, and so on. So here is the peach, so the yellow goes in one side, and the yellow has to go out of the other side. So this is what we're going to make now. How do we do it? Well, we need 12 units. So 3 are reddish, 3 are brown, 3 are peach, and 3 are yellow. So 4 colors, 3 units of each. That's a total of 12. Now, it doesn't really matter where we start, does it? So I'll start with a reddish unit, and I'll put a peach in. Now, again, I'm not going to teach you how to make a pyramid, because you should have watched that earlier video, and you know how to do it. So this is our first. Okay, so here is the reddish piece, and because the peach goes in, peach goes out on the other side. Now I'm trying to make 4 pyramids meet at this corner, so I need to introduce a 4th color, peach, red, yellow, and the 4th color is brown, so I can introduce this in, goes into the peach, and the yellow will lock into the brown. Now at this point it's a little bit unstable because I don't have many pyramids strongly locking it. But this is all I need now to know where to put all the colors. Because here is the peach, so the brown is coming into the peach, brown has to come out on the other side. So I pick up another brown unit, put it into the peach, and here is the reddish unit, so I can close this because I have 3 different colors already making a pyramid. So that goes in like that. Okay, the yellow is going into the brown, so I can introduce another yellow going out of the brown. There we go. And I already have this peach here, so I can close this pyramid, put the peach into the yellow. Peach going into the yellow, so peach there will come out on the other side. Oops. So I still have just 3 colors here, so I cannot close the brown into the peach because it's only 3 pyramids. I need to open it so I can put a 4th color in there. And that would have to be red, wouldn't it? So the red goes into the peach, and the brown goes into this reddish, like that. And I can close this pyramid here because I have 3 different colors. Just put the red around, slot in the quarter circle, there it goes. So the more pieces you put together, the stronger it gets. So the reddish piece goes in, and I can put another piece here that goes out of the peach. And now, because I have 3 different colors here, I've got a complete pyramid, and I can lock the yellow into the reddish piece. Now here, can you see I've got the 4 colors, the brown, the peach, the yellow, and this reddish color, so I can close, and oh look, you see it's meeting the reddish on the other side of the brown. That's nice. So the yellow has to go in here because it's also on the other side, and I can close this pyramid because I have 3 different colors. Okay, now what's happening here? Yes, you can see at this corner I have yellow and the reddish and the peach, so I must introduce a 4th color, which is the brown, and then everything will lock. Just go around. Here I've got 3 colors, so I can close this pyramid, and suddenly it comes into the correct shape. Just make sure you don't lock anything inside. You see this yellow? It goes inside, doesn't it? But it should come outside. So just pull out the quarter circles. Don't ever leave any of them to the inside. And there we go. And this is now finished. Rather lovely, isn't it? So very strong, Quite easy to assemble. 12 units, 4 different colours, 3 units of each. Thank you.